Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys live wallpaper, how to set in our Redmi phone. Guys, you want to set guys your live wallpaper in your Redmi phones, man, you can set. And friends, now let's see how to set live wallpaper and then how to use live wallpaper setting in our Redmi phone. Today I will show you guys in this video guys. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys to set live wallpaper. When I scroll it friends, you can see guys your wallpaper setting. Click on wallpaper setting. Let's click on profile setting, and once you can see guys your wallpaper setting. So I tap here. Once you can see my live wallpaper. So once you have your my live wallpaper setting, which one wallpaper guys do you like guys, you can set from here. So we will click on get this one wallpaper and we will apply here. And once you can see set as both home screen login, it's your choice. So I will click on get this both of live wallpaper setting. You can see guys raining wallpaper means raining live wallpaper setting guys. Once live wallpaper will set, and guys you can use a live wallpaper setting guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye guys.